If you're working with the Emacs, then you definitely want to utilize the shortcuts and especially the windows. Basically, you can split a window in case you want to, let us say, work on two different buffers. And for splitting a window, I have talked about it in the past as well. But today I want to basically also share one more trick. So let us say you have a window and you can press Control X2. So you have a window uh, which is basically split vertically, and now you have the option to take a look at both the documents in case you have two documents open. And if I press Escape, let us say again, a couple of times, uh, I can get rid of the other one. Now let us say you want to split the window into two vertical windows, and I have of course these buffers. So let us say you want to increase the size of one of the buffer or decrease the size of the other buffer. So right now, if you look here, the buffer on the left hand side has nothing but my files. So what I would like to do, I can of course press Ctrl X O, and I can now go to the buffer on the right hand side, where of course I am maybe writing a document. And when I'm working with a document, I prefer to basically have more space because right now uh, it is when you press Ctrl X3, it will split the window for you, but equally. However, there is a way to also increase the window size. So if you press Ctrl X and the curly, or I should say parenthesis, the right one, basically Control X and parenthesis, the right parenthesis, then it will increase the size of the current window. It will basically make the current window wider. So if I press Control X and the right parenthesis, it will, I'm sure you noticed the size increased slightly. I can do it one more time, maybe one more time again. So this is something that I think you can also use if you want. So I can keep on doing it, and I think this is fine. And this is something that I quite like, and I of course use it. In most cases, I prefer working on just one buffer at a time, but there are ways in Emacs where you can basically have your own layout. I'll probably make a different video on how to read of how to basically use Emacs for RSS feed reader, where of course you have the list of all the RSS feeds that you want to read on the left hand side in a small column, and the right hand side will display your actual content. So this is something that you can do, and based on the mode that you are selecting, or maybe in case you're selecting a specific mode where you want the layout to be in a different way, so you can always modify it. I don't do this a lot. I used to do it, but I think I have switched back to keeping things very simple, working on one buffer at a time. So let us say if I'm writing this document, I mean, sometimes I keep my agenda open on the left hand side and I work on the right hand side. But in most cases, I keep my buffer open like this. So this is a small trick or a small way that I wanted to share today to basically help you in resizing your window size in case you want to do it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.